Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable showing previous subtitle for slower readers on Dune Awakening. If you feel like the subtitles just go too fast, you can simply go to the settings, then go to audio. And now if subtitles are on, you can also change the show previous subtitle to on. And now the current and the previous subtitle line will be displayed at the same time, so you can read longer sentences without any problems, and that's pretty great. Remember to apply the change after changing it using the enter key on your keyboard. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.